Mount Rushmore, an iconic American monument, stands tall in South Dakota. But do you know why these 4 presidents were chosen? George Washington symbolizes the birth of the nation. Thomas Jefferson represents expansion through the Louisiana Purchase. Theodore Roosevelt stands for development and progress. And Abraham Lincoln signifies unity during the Civil War. Carving this masterpiece was no easy task. Sculptor Gutzon Borglum began the work in 1927, and it took 14 years to complete. Over 400 workers used dynamite and drills to sculpt the faces, and during harsh weather and dangerous conditions. But Mount Rushmore isn't just about the visible faces. Behind Lincoln's head lies a hidden hall of records, which contains important historical documents and the story of America. Mount Rushmore is more than just a tourist destination. It's a shrine of democracy, symbolizing the ideals and struggles that shaped the United States. Its creation was a bold statement, reflecting the country's resilience and the vision of its leaders. So next time you think of Mount Rushmore, remember it's not just a mountain. It's a timeless tribute to America's history, culture, and enduring values.